Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the dollar CAD monthly, well, first of all, I just want to mention that I am on vacation next week, so the next YouTube videos after today will not come out until October 7th, Monday, October 7th. But I definitely will still be trading next week, and I still will be providing signals to my members. So if anybody is interested in that, definitely check out my website. So anyways, we have a nice 5 waves up right here for what I think is a wave A. I think this is very clearly 3 waves down for an A, B, C, or B, which I think will go down, take out both of these lows before we potentially go back up for a wave C or a wave 3. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is very, very clearly 5 waves down, wave A. I think this is 1, 2, 3 waves up, wave B. Yes, it is a higher high, but that definitely happens a lot. I think that we are in a downtrend right now, which I predict to look something like this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which I think is likely a wave C of wave B. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is a wave 1, I think this is a wave 2, and I think we are in a wave 3. We are kind of drifting up a little bit right now, but that's probably because we just took out the previous lows. I am definitely still looking for shorts on sort of time frames because the trend is definitely down on all the higher roadmap time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, definitely no breaker starts it to the upside or anything like that. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks to go short, and honestly, that does kind of look like a 3 way pullback right there. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame where I have my Fibonacci retracement on the last move down. So like I said, I'm looking for impulsive up, wave A. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 waves down, wave B, and I'm looking for impulsive up, wave C. Looking for a fib bounce, looking for a breaker starter. Kind of seems like this could be the end of a crescent. Probably is worth trying out. If it is the end of a crescent, then it needs to make lower lows, lower highs from this point on. If it doesn't do that, then it would invalidate the end of an ABC crescent. But even if it does invalidate it, I'm definitely still looking for sorts in a downtrend, especially on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.